Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to mute someone on Discord in a simple and easy way. Stay with me till the end, because I will guide you through each step so you can mute anyone without confusion. Step 1. Open Discord on your PC or mobile. Go to the server or chat where the person you want to mute is currently active. Step 2. Right-click on the person's name if you are on PC. On mobile, press and hold the user's name, and a small menu with different options will appear. Step 3. Click on the mute option. This will stop you from hearing that person in voice chat, and they will not be notified that you muted them. Step 4. Server admins can server mute users. In a voice channel, right-click the user and select server mute to stop them from speaking for everyone if they are disturbing the chat. Step 5. Unmute anytime if needed. Follow the same steps again and turn off mute, and their voice will return to normal. That is how you can easily mute someone on Discord and enjoy a peaceful chat or voice call. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.